Hello everybody, we're at Hillside Service Center in Valhalla, New York, and today we have our Chevrolet Volt in this place. And what we're doing today, we are installing today LED lights, a new design. Let me show you the design. It's like this one, and Jaime is the one who's going to be installing it. And he's gonna be doing it to this car right here. We had an old style for about 2 years here, so let's do a new style. So it's not gonna be me today, it's going to be Jaime. So first you have to open up the hood, of course, and then you have to open up these caps. Jaime is reaching for the old ones, the old conversion kit, which works perfectly fine. Right? You checked it. It works fine, right?
Yes.
I trust in this guy right here with every single one of my cars. It's easier to just unscrew it and put it aside. Very easy. 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah. Yes.
At a different angle. Okay. Counterclockwise. Pulling it out. Show the new one. Compare it to the old one. Show people what the difference is. I think installation wise, I think the new one, this one right here, is going to be a little bit easier than this to put in and close the cap, right?
Yep. More defined.
I want to remind everybody that the bulb original one is 9012. We have used 9006 conversion kit before, and this conversion kit is exactly 9012. The only difference is a little tab on the side is bigger in 9006 LED conversion. That's why we try. The light doesn't work. Now we have to flip the terminal. Connect. Oh, there you go.
The wire back in the hole.
So right side is done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go to the left side. Let me turn the light off.
It's much easier.
This one is much easier. Okay.
Wire.
This is the old one. Everything's fine with that one. And the new one goes in. Yeah, the new one. A little shorter, right?
Yep.
The fan is a little.
Better
Yeah, the fan is a little smaller, and the conversion is a little shorter. Now I want to tell everybody why we're doing this today, because this is a new design, and we really need to test it. So the best place to test it, I think, is in this car. Plug-in electric, and I think it's the best guinea pig for all of my games. Okay, let's try it. Light on. Light is on. All right. Ready?
Yes.
Thank you, Jaime.
Well,
Alright, all we have to do is back it out and show everybody how it looks. So, here's the result. Everything works good. You see how fast it was to convert it using this new kit. And to me, I would say the color got a little tiny bit brighter comparing to the old kit. So I don't know if it's any different on the road, but we'll see. The color got a little whiter, I would say. Thank you for watching, everybody. Like us, share, subscribe.